is Cecilia from SuperU Display Group. Our company specializes in providing with the shop interior design and manufacturing over 15 years. Today, I'm very honored to present you with an extraordinary cooperation with the Australia famous jewelry brand, Mossam. Take a look about what display feature we made for this brand. Follow me. Look at this one. The wall display cabinet is really beautiful, right? The jewelry needs to be awake by the appropriate lighting. So in this display cabinet, we equip with the professional jewelry illumination. So with the adjustable color temperature and brightness, so it allows to create a highlight moment for each jewelry. The staff, they can adjust the height and angle of the spotlight to ensure every jewelry can get a better showcase. And about the body of the cabinet, we use the electronic plated stainless steel and the Changhong glasses. It's simple but beautiful with the built-in illuminated alkali logo. The combination of this material perfectly shows the brand style, simple but luxury. And we do some special process to protect the jewelry. Only by using the special card can open this cabinet. So it's the combination of the aesthetical and functionality. Not only showcase the jewelry, but also protect them. The logo side is very important for our brand. So look at the logo side we made for this brand. This big one is for the outdoor use and the small one is for the indoor use. So for the body, we used the material with the electronic stainless steel and the alkali illuminated logo. With the front lighting, so take a look about it. Do you like this one? This wall display cabinet is my favorite one. So take a look about the body. The material we also used with the electronic plated stainless steel and with the Changhong glasses, very simple but luxury. I would like to introduce with the design concept of the use of the different color of the light. So at the top and the bottom, we use the warm light. And at the middle, we use the cold light. The difference about the color temperature can make a big difference between this color and can make your jewelry be more eye-catching and attractive. So, and we also use the electronic plated stainless steel to make your logo, but actually it is an invisible drawer. You can put some product, the packing balls or some tube in these places, and on the top, we do some spinning spotlight. The spinning round spotlight can better showcase the product, and surrounded is a small spotlight, so the staff, they can adjust the angle and the height of the spotlight to better showcase your jewelry. This is a big Iceland counter, and I would like to introduce a few advantages to you. So the first one is about the body. The cabinet body we use with the electronic stainless steel and also with the Changhong glasses, simple but beautiful. And I would like to specially introduce it with light. The built-in LED light strip produced with the soft light, it not only avoid with the harsh light glare, but also improve the shopping experience of the customer. And this one is not so beautiful, but also very practical because we provide with a lot of the drawers and the cabinet, allowing the staff, they can storage a lot of the packing balls and the tube, so they can better service their customer. Do you like this one? That's just a part of the product we made for this brand. Do you like them? Okay, if you have any detailed information you want to know, please contact us through Alibaba or our website. So I will see you in next project. Bye bye.